How to find follow request in TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to find follow request in TikTok. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you have to make sure your TikTok app is up to date. Launch it and now you need to go to your profile by tapping the icon in bottom right corner of the screen. You need to note that there is no such direct option in settings to find follow request. Instead, you need to tap on the inbox icon at bottom left corner of the screen. At the top, you will see the follow request. You simply need to tap new followers at top of the screen. And here you will see that someone has sent us a follow request. You can view, accept or delete the follow request. For now, let's tap on accept button, and if you would like to follow them back, tap follow back option, and after that you can start interacting with that peoples on TikTok. So this is how you can simply find follow request on TikTok. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comments, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.